Good day everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video I'll show you how to fix video call sound problem in Messenger. So guys, this all comes down to something very simple, which is properly enabling the notification settings for your Facebook Messenger. So when you do this firstly in the Messenger itself, so in the settings in here, so just go to settings. And in here guys, as you can see, we have our notifications and sounds settings. So go here, and in here make sure that you have everything enabled, right? And especially the ringtones. And as you can see, we have the notification preferences. So the ringtone is going to be the actual ringtone that will be responsible for letting you know that you're being called, whether it's a video or audio call in your messenger. So always, of course, be sure to always enable this setting, all right? So ringtone, you can also change it if you wish. As you can see, there are multiple in here that you can choose. And yeah, and now I will show you another setting where to fix this as well. All right, so you go to your phone, you go to apps, you go to manage apps. In here, you search for Messenger. Okay, go here. And in here, guys, in the settings, this is the actual phone's app settings. In here, go to notifications. And in here, also make sure that you have all of the notifications enabled, right? Because sometimes it bugs out, even if you have one of them disabled, it just bugs out and doesn't send you notifications for your app. It happened to me as well, and not only in Messenger. So always be sure to enable, the calls within the calls in here, especially enable the notifications. And after you do all of this, guys, your video call sound should be no problem. You'll get the sound that you're being called pretty much always, and it will work perfectly fine. Enjoy, guys. If this helped you, don't forget to put a thumbs up on the video and subscribe.